Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In the previous video we have talked about how to think like a coder, how to think like a programmer. So in this video we're going to talk about the internet. So first of all, let's see the overview of this video. In this video we're going to talk about the internet revolution, information delivery, connection types, and fast and reliable. So let's dive in. The first topic is about the internet revolution. For most of us, it's very hard to imagine a world without the internet. The internet has revolutionized how humans communicate and connect with each other, and has transformed the way we do business and socialize. Information delivery, how the information ships throughout the network. Think of the internet like a postal service, but instead of boxes and envelopes, it ships information. Everything that gets sent over the internet is information in different formats, from text message to video and your favorite song. Billions of devices are connected in the internet through networks in order to exchange information and communicate with each other. So basically we have three main connection types. The networks linking billions of devices are made of three types of physical connection. The first one is copper cables and wires. Information travels in the form of electrical signals. The second one is wireless connection, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, 4G and 5G. In this type of connection, information travels in the form of radio waves. And the third one is fiber optics cables. In this type, information travels in the form of light. So, how does a picture, email, or video travels across the world in a fraction of a second? Information that is sent through the internet gets broken down and wrapped into information packets. Information packets travel through the internet at a very high speed with minimal errors. The whole system is highly reliable and incredibly fast. So, in this video, we have talked about that the internet is a communication system. Devices on the internet exchange information. And lastly, information gets chunked into packets that travel at a high speed through a network of physical connection. As always, make the most of your time and bye for now.